So you've been given the task of researching an ancient civilization. We'll start off by looking at the Aztecs. So you go into Google and you start researching the Aztecs. Normally you type in Aztec and then just do a regular Google search. So let's do that. And of course at the top you have Wikipedia. One alternative strategy is rather than starting with text, go to images. So now let's go to images. And you see straight away that they've got a range of really interesting images about the Aztec civilization. These images are important sources of information about the civilization and are also a really good way to give you a quick feeling of what the civilization may have been like. Later on we're going to talk about building up your research string and the importance of doing that. But you can also see that Google has automatically suggested a number of additional terms that you could add to your search string under the picture search. So let's have a look at this. So let's click on Aztec and Warrior. And you'll see now that we've got a different range of images coming up. So now we're looking under Aztec and Warrior. Let's say that I want to look at things in a little bit more detail. Let's have a look at Aztec Empire. So now we're looking at Aztec, Aztec Empire and Warrior. At any time you can close down the additional search terms by clicking on the X. So let's remove the word warrior from our search. So now we're looking at Aztec and Aztec Empire, and we can see that we've got a variety of maps. So straight away, without you looking at any text, you've got an idea about what an Aztec warrior looked like, and also we've got an idea of where the Aztec civilization originally was. So this could be a good alternative launching point into finding information about particular civilizations. Remember as well, if you find a really good image on Google, so for example, say we decide this is a really good image, we can visit the website. So it's a different way of finding out different websites about your chosen civilization.